I'm gonna brag a bit because I had an investor call about our turnkey properties, which you could buy. We only sell 1 or 2 a month. Get on our exclusive buyers list. If you get on my YouTube channel, you'll find out how. And the question was, how long does it take me to place a tenant? And I let him know that I just listed a house. After 2 days, I had 68 leads, and I've gotten several applications back from people, and all I used was the Google Earth image because we haven't even started renovating the house yet. And I'm telling everyone that it is not going to be ready until the mid to the end of December, and they're lining up, first come, first serve. Why is it I'm able to do that? Because if you subscribe to my channel, you'll see all my house tours of the houses that we have already renovated, and when tenants see how well we do, they want to rent from us. So that's how I'm able to do it in negative so many days. I don't know what you call that, but I'm able to do it pretty darn quick.